the point of intersection of two straight lines. The essential skills from National 5, finding the gradient of a straight line, rearranging an equation, and solving simultaneous equations. Many problems involve lines which intersect. This is often a common exam question where we need to find where they meet. Key steps: find the equation of each line, solve the system of equations simultaneously, find where the lines meet, obtain the x and y coordinate, and ensure you state the point of intersection as a coordinate point. Example 1. Find the point of intersection of the lines 2x minus y plus 11 equals 0 and x plus 2y minus 7 equals 0. The first thing we have to do is rearrange the straight line equations. So we have letters on one side, so I'm going to move the plus 11 over to become minus 11 and the negative 7 over to become plus 7. To solve simultaneously, I need to use elimination, and I'm going to multiply my bottom equation by 2 to obtain the same coefficient in front of x. My bottom equation will become 2x plus 4y equals 14. In order to eliminate my x values, I will need to subtract the two equations. Negative y take away 4y will give me negative 5y is equal to negative 11 take away 14 will be negative 25. To get 1y, I'll divide by negative 5 to obtain an answer of y equals 5. Once I've got my y coordinate, I can sub y equals 5 into any equation. I'm going to pick x plus 2y equals 7. Replacing y with 5 will give me x plus 2 times 5 equals 7. X plus 10 equals 7. I'll then take my 10 over and subtract to get x equals negative 3. The final step is to state the coordinate of intersection, which would be minus 3, 5. Example 2. Triangle PQR has vertices P, 8, 3, Q, negative 1, 6, and R, 2, minus 3. Part A, find the equation of the altitude QS. Part B, find the equation of the median RT. And Part C, hence find the coordinates of M. Please pause the video and answer parts A and B in your classwork jotter. Your answer for A, the equation of the altitude, could have been x plus y equals 5. Your answer for part B, 5x minus y equals 13. We will now complete part C together. We'll need to solve the two equations from A and B using elimination. So we have x plus y equals 5, 5x minus y equals 13, and as we have 1y and 1y, there is no need to multiply any equations. We'll go straight ahead and add them together. So x plus 5x will be 6x, and 5 plus 13 is 18. 6x is 18, therefore 1x will be 3. I'm going to sub x equals 3 into x plus y is 5. 3 plus y is 5. We'll take the number 3 over and subtract from 5 to obtain y equals 2. Final step is to state the coordinate of intersection, which is 3, 2. Now pause the video and try these examples on your own in your classwork jotter. The answers. Question 1. A, point of intersection was 3, 1, and B, point of intersection is 1, 2. For question 2, we had to find the coordinates of the point where the median from C meets the perpendicular bisector of CB. Final answer was -3, -3. Now try these further 2 examples on your own. Please pause the video here. The answers. For question A, we had a line AB which is parallel to the line with equation y plus 3x equals 25. Therefore the gradient is -3, and we're going to use the point A, which is -110. This will give the equation of the line AB as 3x plus y equals 7. For part B, 3y equals x plus 11 is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That means the perpendicular bisector meets AB. We have to determine the coordinates of B. First step, we can obtain the midpoint of AB by finding where the perpendicular bisector meets AB. It's found from simultaneous equations using the 2 equations which are underlined. The point in which these 2 lines meet is the midpoint of AB, which is 1, 4. It's then beneficial to draw yourself a diagram. We can see the perpendicular bisector cuts the line AB. We know the coordinates of A, which is -110. We now know the midpoint, which is 1, 4. In order to find the coordinates of B, we need to use a stepping out method. We find how many boxes we go down Y and along X to get from A to M. We will do the same to get from M to B. This will give the coordinates of B as 3, -2. If you would like some extra practice, turn to page 18, exercise 1N, question 3 to 4. What have we learned today? To find where 2 straight lines intersect, we follow the steps. Find the equation of each line. Solve the system of equations simultaneously. Find where the lines meet, obtain an x and a y coordinate, and finally ensure you state the point of intersection as a coordinate point. If you do not do this, you may lose a mark in the exam.